So on the back side, the piecewise function side, 4, 8, and 12, you're supposed to come up with f of 1/2. And maybe that didn't show up really well in your paper. Sorry. It got cut off somehow. But f of 1/2. So the first thing we have to notice here is that we have three functions up here, f, g, and h. So we have to identify, we're going to use the function on the left that matches the letter. So the function f over here, 1/2, that's your x value. So if x is 1/2, clearly 1/2 is greater than 0. So the value of the function when x is 1/2, the value of f when x is 1/2 is 2. There's no work to do there because f is a constant, either less than or equal to 0, or if x is greater than 0, the value of the function is 2. G, on the other hand, if we look and we try to find g of 3, well, g of 3, when x is equal to 3, we're going to use this piece. X is less than or equal to 3. So we plug 3 into the first piece in place of x. And so this is the work you have to show. 3 plus 5 is 8. So therefore, g of 3 has a value of 8. If you plugged 3 into the other piece, you're not supposed to do that. You would get 6 minus 1 is 5. That's incorrect. Because it says 3, you have to use the first piece because x is less than or equal to 3 in this case. H of 6, well, we have to look at the function h. We identify what piece we're going to use. 6 is greater than or equal to 3. So we replace x with 6 in this second piece. Well, 6 can be written as 6 over 1. When we multiply fractions, 2 over 3 times 6 over 1, we could multiply straight across, but we could also reduce the fraction. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 6 twice. So what we end up getting is 2/3 of 6 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So h of 6 is 5.